Taylor, out of college, had a couple jobs around nannying and helping be an education teacher, and she didn't think it was her passion and what she was doing. She's always been the health and fitness, and she wanted to merge her personal life and her business life together. After, soul searching, talking to her fiance Alexio, she made the change and she took the leap of faith. She started business school in the terms of learning about nutrition and program and learning about how health and wellness works from a coaching aspect. She got a mentor who helps her with understanding how to build out a business model. And now she runs a successful business. She's able to help coach women to have more energy in their daily lives. She does it by helping them with stress management, making sure they have the proper wellness in their life in the terms of the food they're eating, the juices they put in their body, and she does it as well in helping bring women together, which I think is key in Facebook groups, Instagram groups, things like that. And she gives them a group so they can talk about the issues they're seeing, how they can overcome it, and she coaches them through everything.